Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. Today is a chill vibe day. I'm gonna be playing in this gorgeous, you hear me, gorgeous reddish brown wig from Klaiyi hair. And I wanna show you the texture, how it came straight out of the box before I start manipulating it. All the corkscrew curlies. Hey Shaquafala girl, how you doing? But this color, y'all, it is so vibrant. When I wore this out, all you're gonna get is compliments. This hair is Klaiyi hair. There was so many wonderful goodies in the box, and I just wanted to showcase that. There was a beautiful green silk robe, gorgeous. So now I'm just showing you the inside of the cap construction, 13 by 4 lace, lots of parting space. Stretchy inner headband. Here's what the hairline looks like before tweezing. And I'm gonna go ahead and customize this a little bit more for my forehead. I put her on Old Faithful, and now I'm just separating out curls. So I was just trying to get an idea of where I wanted to go when I start making this wig my own. What's on your mind? Don't gotta say what you think I like. I really didn't do much. I did a little bit of plucking. I didn't even bleach the wig. When you're plucking, you know that you're gonna have to continuously remove all that shed hair. Otherwise, you're gonna have big old clumps of mess, girl, and you don't want that. So as you pluck, remember to get your spray bottle of water ready and detangle that hair as you go to make it a little bit easier. So now I'm happy with where I got the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and pull it down to make sure that it fits and it's nice and snug. And I'm just checking out my hairline, seeing what I gotta do before I clip it up and get to work on using Got to Be Glued to adhere the wig.
It's funny cause I got addicted to you when we were in love, and even though you broke it off, I struggle with it like you were a bottle of pills. I wish I could give in to my dependency, but I move on because I know what's bad for me.
So as I was blow drying, I realized my eyelashes wanted to have fun. They don't want to be left out.
Sleepless nights, me in my mind means craving the hit of you all the time. I can't even have a taste. I can't open up that game. I can't open up that game. I can't open up. Every time that I see you online, I wanna drop you a line, say hello. But I already know how it'll go. Small talk, but it's a big deal to me. I get in my feelings too fast. Then I'm hurting when you don't write me back. I wish I could give in to.
So as I'm cutting the lace, I'm making sure to get as close as possible without removing the hair, the hairline. I think I did all right. Y'all, this hair is thick. It's 250% density, okay? So I'm gonna go in and try to do something with these baby hairs. Y'all do not laugh at me. It is a struggle, and I try, okay? I did it on camera this time, and I'm very proud of myself. After I pull down the wig and cut the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and use this melting band to further make sure that the wig is secured. And then for some reason I used my hot comb to straighten out the pieces closest to my hairline, and then went right ahead and put some mousse on it. I really don't know why I did that, but it came out cute though. So after I take off the band, for the first time, my wig is very much secure. So now I'm gonna go in and start addressing these baby hairs. I'm using my eyebrow razor and I'm getting them a little bit shorter before I add the mousse and try to construct some adolescent hairs. If you're not bleaching your knots, this is a really good trick to use. I use this tinted mousse. I got it from my local beauty supply store, but it's all over the internet. It just helps the lace blend more seamlessly without having to use foundation.
I could be wasting a day with you and it's felt with me. The whole world.
So now that my baby hairs are sculpted, I'm gonna use that band one more time so they can dry.
Put you up, fade away. Everything just fades away. Put you up, fade away. And everything falls into place. When it's all up in the air and innocent, touching on my leg, you ain't indifferent. What we doing here ain't nobody's business. It's all sweet, but it tastes like cinnamon. But you won't.
So I used a lot of mousse on this hair because I wanted my curls to be shiny and I wanted them to have hold, but I wanted it to be flexible. So after I take this band off, everything is sculpted. So what I like to do is break the cast, and I spray a little bit of, you can use oil sheen. I'm using this Pink Luster's glosser, and I just spray it in.
Put you up, fade away.
And this is my favorite part. I like to make my hair as big as possible without disturbing the curls. I don't know what happened to my pick. I'm telling you, somebody around here is a pick thief. They done stole my pick. Give it back or else. But other than that, yep. So the rest of this video is basically just me playing in this beautiful hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the information for her is going to be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will check y'all later. Bye.
Everything just